Hello, this is Kyla Archeta, and here is the finished product of my Chapter 9 project, which I again cannot put into run mode because I have errors. But on the plus side, I only have 28 errors compared to last time I had 114, so yay for me! But I still have a lot of errors that I don't know what to do with. I mean, I do try, like for example, this one. Blah blah, line 8241, error, syntax error, comma expected. So when I do try to fix it, is it what, line 8241. So let's look at 41. 41 is just a set, so I'm going to look at line 82. Blah blah, in the file expected. And here's where it says it wants a comma, but in the book, it wanted the little slash. I don't know what it's called. It wanted a slash. And watch, when I do what Unity wants and replace them with commas and save that, and I go back to Unity and it processes the changes I did, it gives me more errors. So I don't know what this thing wants from me. I just do my best. After all, I'm still learning the C# language, but that's fine, as long as I don't give myself more errors than necessary. And that pretty much sums up what I did. I just copied everything in the book and I followed all the directions to the best of my ability. I also found that I had trouble clicking stuff, like clicking in the script and dragging it over to another object into the inspector. I've had trouble with that as well. But it's progress. I'm still learning this. I mean, Rome wasn't built in one day. I'm pretty sure a video game wasn't built like that either, especially when you're a beginner. But that's fine. And so, my favorite part of this, I guess it was fixing all the errors. I went from 114 to only 28, yay! And the challenging part, again, is trying to correct all these errors. But then again, I'm getting there. I hope some of you guys had a better time than me. Just keep up the good work, and thanks for watching. Bye!